Hello everyone and welcome to Hiya Adventure. I'm your host Mojo. Today we are gonna show you the third part of rebuilding the 3FE engine for the FJ70. As always, I'm your host Mojo. Today we're gonna be doing the lifters for the rebuild. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it, because you can't see none of the 3FE rebuild on YouTube. So stay tuned to it. Also, you know, we're still doing outdoors adventures, everything else. We have a fishing trip coming up for sturgeon fishing, so stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be in March 11. This is our trip with Captain Joe. It's gonna be awesome, so can't wait to get my sturgeon, and my buddy Flea is coming up from Carson City too. It's gonna be an amazing time, so hopefully we get it done. And let's roll with the video. This is where we did first last time. And to show you a quick around the camshaft and the bearings. We took it out so we can install the filters. So let's get to it. The lifter right here. Up and down. Up and down. This is how smooth you want it to be. You see? This one of them stuck right here. See this one right here?
Okay, it won't go up.
Wanna go up,
down.
or go down?
We'll go down, but it's not gonna go up. See, it's hard. So we have to fix it. See this? It goes up. Go down. See this? Stuck. This stuck. Can't go down. Hard. There you go. Stuck here. Stuck. Stuck.
So yeah, we gotta fix these.
See, this is good. Still, this is not.
See, this one is good. See how we went down? So this little filter is giving us a hard time to go in, up and down, this lifter. So I have to sand it up, grain it a little bit. So let's do this. Okay, let's see. That little bad boy that we had, this one right here. Our lifter is supposed to go smoothly up and down. Like that. See? He doing it with the finger. Give him the choke. There you go. Up and down. Up, down, up, down, up. I mean down. Up. Yeah, this is a little bad boy. Oh, we got it. See? There we go. All right. Oh. Woo. We got the lifters all in here. So we're going to put the camshaft to close it up. And that's what we're going to do it. So. This one, 22. This one right here, these are gonna be 18.
Okay.
There you go.
But now, just once. Ready?
Yep.
Your friend?
Yep.
Friend?
What do you want to move it to? Keep moving?
Keep turning, yeah. It's not even set yet. Okay.
Move.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. Just press the ears with it.
Move. No?
Okay, keep going. Has to stick in. Yeah, good, yeah. That's going, yep. Alright, see? It's gotta be smooth now. Good? Okay. Again, just have it okay. See how they sit. Okay. This locker will not work unless this thread is clear. Look at that, huh?
Right here. 1 and 2. That's with the camshaft on. Work this 9 pounds. 9 foot pound. Okay, there you go.
Lekker. Zo geluid.
There you go.
You need to move this.
No. That's it.
Test it. Ready? You smooth with one hand. If you cannot do it with one hand, there is a problem. Okay? You have to do it with one hand. And let the engine take care.
Looking beautiful.
So, clearance.
Hallelujah. So this is the oil pump. We're gonna install this sucker.
That's the blocker. Yeah, but you so the cup down.
It's like toothpaste.
Oh, damn you.
Yeah, squeeze it hard, man. And
Here's 16. Oh shit.
19. Yeah, 18.
I think they made, let me see, check it.
17.
Oh. So at least we discovered something. There is 17. All the time.
Wow. Okay, give me the.
Oh, you have to allow, I have to look for the specs. Okay.
Let me tie it up a little bit. Okay, it's tied up enough. 15 pounds for this sucker. Yep. Do that.
Huh?
Think so?
Ah,
Yeah, it says. There you go.
this one.
Oh, give me the. Another 15 pounds on this side for the oil pump. There you go. Yep. Next part that we're gonna do is the gasket for the oil pan. Really had to lay it down here. So, oil pump is all tied up. Looking beautiful. Alright, let's do it. The engine on the stand since it's getting heavier. Prepping it right now. We got it on the lift. Here we're gonna put on the stand. Next one, all right, we're gonna put the oil pan on here.
عندك match. One hammer. You can do like this. هذا يدخل سواء.
Our band gasket is sealed. Look at this. Can't believe we covered this already. Wow. We flipped over the engine. The oil pan is on the bottom now. Oh man, this is coming along. Thank God. The lifter's all still in there intact. 3FE, man. Towing. Whew. Beautiful. Look at the pistons. Okay. To get to drive it. Yeah, not might be the fastest, but it fits the engine mounts and everything. You don't need to change no wiring harness and nothing. Stable engine. No crack on the block. Like what you see in the 1FZ. So we installed the crankshaft here.
The gear.
See for the gearing. عجبك الروف ها؟ نو حمام عجبك الروف هلا
عادي هذا بيكون توب هذا توب ديد سنة الآن بيكون توب سنة نشوف توب ديد سنة Yep. That's the time. You just need to tuck it. Yeah. You said what?
This center right here.
Top dead center.
Top dead center.
TDC.
TDC. All right, so the timing cover, we're gonna clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna paint it. All right, I'm ready to put the the oil stick. Here we go, engine oil, baby. For the engine right here.
oil filter.
There. Oil filters.
Color digital color. Digital.
The timing. Okay, the timing cover. It's all cleaned up. I'm gonna dry it out, and then once it's dried out, we're gonna prime it. Get the primer ready, and then we're gonna paint it. So let's get it done. So as much as clean as it gets. Ready to air dry it. What we gotta clean is the lifter covers. Wish me luck with this one. I'm gonna paint this sucker.
أبو يمن جاءت حركة أبو يمن. That's it. That's first coat.
All right, last coat, mate.
كيف بدي؟ أمشي نفس المكان، نفس المستوى، نفس البعد، نفس البعد. أيوة، فهمت الآن. حوله. جهة ثانية. بس. من عندي منها أمامي. إذا عملت كثير هو سكاستر يطير.
So we're pretty much done for the night. So what we did today is the lifters, the camshaft, the oil pan, the gaskets, the gearing for the camshaft, the crankshaft, all that good stuff. So it's a progress. So hope you guys like this series of part. Get the bearings to get in, because when we had the camshaft going into with the bearings, number 3 and 4 was stuck, so it was not turning the way it was supposed to be. So we sent it off, and we were able to get it done, which is the following week, which is this week, which is this weekend that we're working on. So that was plural. One of the lifters gave us a heavy time to go up and down, because the lifter has to go smoothly up and down, like a synchronizing piano. and we were able to get it to get a smooth app, sand it off a little bit, and able to get it in. So next week, I got to check what we have on the project going, so stay tuned for it. And I hope you guys like this series of this rebuild of the 3FE, because trust me, I couldn't find any. If you find them, it's either ones that with carburetor, which is probably the 3F, because the FE is the one with the fuel injector, the EFI, basically. So hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. We're not mechanics, but we're doing this for the love of the project, for the love of the FJ, and something that was remind us when we were kids. So this is why we're building this up and ground. I mean, we can just take it to a mechanic, we'll do the whole thing, but we enjoy it. Me and my buddy enjoying it because both of us grew up on one of these cars. So I'm glad I'm doing it with him, and it's an awesome project. So much love, God bless, and see you on the next part.